Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can use money.com to set up and manage all of your hiring process. So there is a template in money.com that is very useful that you can use to manage all of your hiring process. You have to do is under main workspace, click on this blue button and then click choose from templates. Here you have to search hiring. And this template that is called recruitment and onboarding, you have to click on it and then click use template. Alright guys, once the template is set up, as you can see, it has created three boards for us. One is called recruitment pipeline, the other is employee onboarding, and the third one is employee directory. So basically these three boards are everything you need to manage your hiring process. Like in recruitment pipelines, you can add tips to make most of this template, like you can add new applicants, you can add applicants in progress, you can add applicants hired, and you can manage their dates, their department, their resume, their role. And in employee onboarding checklist, you can add relevant details like work setup, people to meet, company materials. In employee directory, you can add relevant details. So basically these three boards allow you to manage all of your hiring process, and this template can be very useful for you. So guys, this is how you manage your hiring process using money.com. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.